Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a DIY that you can use in two different ways. One would be as a mirror tray and the other one will be as a background. Let's begin. You will be needing 10 of these square mirrors and 2 of these foam boards, and of course I found everything at Dollar Tree. Step number 1 is to put down the mirrors on the board, and then you will be tracing the shape of the number of mirrors of your liking. Right after that, I will be cutting the actual foam with a cutter, and that's gonna give me the exact measurement. Since I do want to use this project as a background, I will be using 2 sets of the same design. So for that, I will be using the first shape that I had, and then I will be tracing it on the second foam, and I will have 2. I will be removing the backing of the mirrors, and that's gonna give me a flat surface. Right after that, I am ready to make sure that everything fits perfectly, and once I am sure of that, I am going to begin hot gluing each of the mirrors on the foam. For the next step, you could use diamond wrap. I did find this type of square mirrors or mosaic mirrors at Dollar Tree as well. So I decided just to cut the strips, and I went ahead and just paste them or hot glue them around the edges of the board. And that's just gonna give me more of a bling type of design. And that's exactly what I was looking for. And this type of design was super simple to make, but it is so glamorous. I did have my friend right here. He was watching me do all these projects. So here is the before, the wall right underneath the TV, and this is the after. It makes such a big difference. Anyhow, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.